Oh boy. A really bad storm. Really foggy too. I don't know how well it's picking up. Really foggy, and I might have to take care of that. It's flooding. It's also flooding over there. Yeah. Whoa. I think that was a bull? I don't know. Huh. Oh man. People just running through that puddle. Oh god. This should be interesting. Yeah, I'm really gonna have to take care of that. The water is coming onto the sidewalk. Again, I don't know how I can see that, but you can see waves coming. Yay. Yeah. I'm in the red zone. Which is severe thunderstorm warning. It's great. Thank you. It's just what I wanted to hear. Thank you. Great.